In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add property on Booking.com. We'll walk through the exact flow you'll see on the site, and I'll share tips along the way so you can complete it with confidence. Start on the Booking.com homepage and look for the option that says List Your Property. This takes you into the hosting side of the platform. On the next screen, choose Create New Listing to start a fresh setup for your place. When Booking.com asks what type of place you're listing, select Apartment. You'll then be asked whether you're listing one apartment or multiple apartments. Pick one if you have a single unit to rent, or multiple if you manage several similar units in the same building or location. Making the right choice here helps Booking.com structure your calendar and availability correctly. Click Continue to move forward and proceed through the next screen by clicking Continue again. You'll be asked where else your property is listed. Select the platforms that apply to you. Airbnb, for example, if you use it. This helps Booking.com understand your distribution and can reduce the risk of duplicate or inaccurate listings. Choose what's accurate for you, then click Continue. Next, enter your property name. Aim for something clear and searchable that includes the property type, neighborhood, and maybe a standout feature. Short, descriptive, and professional. Avoid all caps or excessive punctuation. Click Continue. Now it's time to type your address. Enter the full address carefully, including unit or apartment number if applicable. Make sure the street name, city, postal code, and country are correct so guests can find you and the map pin drops in the right spot. After confirming the details look accurate, click Continue. You'll see a step about connecting to a channel manager. If you don't use one, select No, I won't be using a channel manager at this time. A channel manager is a tool that syncs availability and rates across multiple platforms. You can always connect one later. Click Continue. From here, enter your property details. Provide accurate information on the number of bedrooms, beds, and bathrooms, the maximum occupancy, and the layout. Add amenities truthfully, only what you can reliably provide for every guest. And be realistic with capacity to avoid overbookings. Then continue through the forms, completing each field the platform requests. The more precise you are now, the fewer issues you'll have later. That's it for the initial setup. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish the remaining sections, and you'll be well on your way to welcoming your first guests on Booking.com.